Test, test. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking my video, and shout out to the 400 people that are subscribed to my channel. So today, as you can see, my makeup is done and my hair is raggedy. Today I'm going to be doing my hair and I'm going to show y'all a few products that I just started using for my locks. I really don't want to show y'all my hair because it'll look a mess. So I'm using tea tree oil. This is for skin and hair, and I also use this rose water mist. I used to use rose water on my last set of locks and even on my skin, but basically you see the tops are different. I just put some rose water in the tea tree oil one, shake it up, and that's what I use on my hair. I haven't really been using this spray oil that much lately, and the other oil that I use is this Shine Lock oil. It has manuka honey and moringa seed oil. So basically these products together have been what I've been using when I have been touching my hair, which is very scarce. And yeah, today I just wanted to do a little style because I've really been neglecting my hair. She's very dry. Y'all, I am almost 1 year locked. I'll be a year next week, I think. But yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna be doing some Bantu knots all over my hair. I really want to do like a curly style, but I don't have much hair to curl, so I don't know why I shake this up like it's something sitting at the bottom. Okay, I just want to get my hair damp. I don't want it to be completely drenched because it's gonna take forever for my hair to dry. So I'm gonna start in the back first. I'm just separating it in whatever kind of ponytails I can get it in, child, because it's not many. Okay. Y'all was about to talk about me, weren't y'all? Y'all was about to talk about the fact that I can't put my hair in a ponytail. I heard y'all. I knew you was about to click, 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 click. But let me tell you something. She's up there. So I just put this mirror up there. My husband put a screw up there because he's been working on cutting his own hair himself. Yeah, that's good enough. You can see it. So I pretty much just feel for how much I want to put in a Bantu knot. Like this is probably a little bit too much. Yeah, this is a good amount. So I'm gonna put this part away. And this still feels pretty dry. So I'm gonna spray that a little bit more. And get a rubber band. Boom. I'm pretty much just gonna do that all over my head. So as my hair is getting longer, I've been wrapping my rubber bands around more than once just to make sure that it's actually secured there, because a lot of the times it won't be. The bottom 2 rows gets really dry because that's the part that I had bleached lighter. So that part gets really dry. Okay, so now that I'm at the front of my head, I'm just gonna keep separating Like this might be too much. Yeah, that's better. I don't know if I showed y'all my little pieces that I took out on the side just to give myself a little. I usually would just put some conditioner on it, but I'm not washing my hair no time soon, so we just gonna finger twirl that. My curls are much more looser on this side of my hair anyway, so. All right, next I'm grabbing my edge control, the same one that I've been using, even, and my little edge brush. And I'm just gonna do my edges a little bit. This style will probably be really cute with like real dramatic edges, but y'all know me, I don't really know how to do edges too much anyway, so I'm gonna do what I can. And that's it. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how y'all like this style. Let me know if you tried it out. Let me know if you know how to do edges.